Hello friends, good morning. I'm back here. Today we are visiting Dubai Creek Harbour, which is the iconic project and the future of Dubai. Dubai Creek Harbour, which is the combination of downtown and marina. Also over here the world's tallest tower coming up by Emaar.
All we need is one night in Dubai. Close your eyes and dim the lights. All we need is one night in Dubai. One night in Dubai.
Hello friends, so we are today at Dubai Creek Harbour. This is a model of Dubai Creek Harbour. So Dubai Creek Harbour is a upcoming location. It's an iconic location wherein Emaar is coming up with the world's tallest tower. Another attraction is the mall coming up here. This is the almost twice size of Dubai Mall. And also, if I talk about Dubai Creek Harbour, it's a combination of downtown and marina. So here you can see there is a water body. It's a natural water over here. And this Dubai Creek Harbour divided into two parts. One is the mainland. This is the mainland where the tower and mall is coming up. And the other part is the island. This is the island. So if I talk about connectivity, this is only 10 minutes drive from Dubai Airport, DXB, 10 minutes drive from Dubai Mall, downtown. And over here you can see this is the Russell Khor Road, the main road, one of the main road from where you can directly connect. It's accessible to Creek Harbour. Here you have another road, internal road. Then you have another internal road from here. And also there is one more connectivity from Al Jadaf. They are coming up with a new flyover. So that would be your new connectivity. They are planning to connect it to the metro. So there would be 4 metro stations. Over here you can see this is one of the station, second station and the third metro station. So there are 3 metro stations over here and the 4th one is just behind the tower. So it will be very well connected. The roads are wider over here. So as I told you, Dubai Creek Harbour is divided into 2 parts. The one is mainland, where you have mall and the creek tower coming up. The other one is island, Dubai Creek Island. Over here what you have altogether around 50 plus towers coming up here. In that you already have some towers delivered. And also you have some good restaurants and hotels are here. Like Vida Hotel is already there, which is operational. Then Address is coming up over here, Address Hotel. Then you have a Palace Hotel coming up. Not only this, over here you have a Creek Marina Yacht Club. Then coming up with a boulevard over here. The park is over here. You have a green park. Then you have a mosque inside a community. Then you have a green patch. And also this island is connected with the 4 bridges. One of this is this, which is connecting from the Al Jadaf. Then you have 3 more bridges. The second one, third one and the 4th one. This is the pedestrian bridge which directly connects you from the island to the beach district, and then it takes you to the Creek Tower. There is a beach district over here they have launched so far. The first phase of the beach district is this. You also have the man-made beach here. So you have a man-made beach. Then you have a wildlife sanctuary here, downtown view and everything. Let's go and see the show apartment of the group. So this is a show apartment at Dubai Creek Harbour Sales Center of Emaar. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. Let's go and check. It's a beautiful apartment. You have a kitchen. You have a very good living dining space. balcony. This is the view from the balcony. Let's go inside and check out the rooms. It's a second bedroom. Basically, this would be the view, Dubai skyline, entire Dubai skyline view you will get from Dubai Creek Harbour. It's one of the best view in Dubai.